In the distance, a crow's call slices through the suffocating silence of night. Its call, a harbinger of dark secrets and forgotten fears. The graveyard whispers with the echoes of past lives as the crow watches intently. Its presence lingers on the threshold between life and death. Around, the wind swells like a ghostly choir, tugging at the twisted tree's bony fingers. A chilling breath of foreboding fills the heavy air. With each mighty beat, the crow's wings stir the stagnant air with grim purpose. It ascends, a shadowy spectre amidst the moonlit gloom. Ascending higher, the crow glimpses the world below, the realm of the forgotten. It journeys toward the hidden truths buried within this shadowed land. Each beat of its wings echoes with the weight of untold stories. Below, the world slumbers, unaware of the crow's vigilant gaze from the skies. The crow wheels in the heavens, surveying its dominion of shadow and twilight. Its eyes gleam with knowledge of fates intertwined like creeping vines. Yet, amidst the silent embrace of night, it senses a disturbance glimmering beneath. This revelation beckons like a whisper from beyond the veil. Aware of the unseen rhythms below, the crow descends with quiet authority. It knows the end of one journey heralds the beginning of another. As dawn's light creeps over the horizon, the crow prepares for its rest. Its vigil complete, it fades into legend and memory, an omen whispering still.